Hello everyone. In this video we are going to look into coffee can investing portfolio. In fact, I have divided the entire presentation into two parts. Part number 1 talks about the introduction. Part number 2 talks about the research part. In introduction we are going to look into what is the history behind the coffee can investing, who created this coffee can investing concept in the world, and who is behind this particular concept of coffee can investing in India, and what are the procedures to be followed to construct a coffee can portfolio investment, and a brief research on this, a very recent research on this. So these are the things that we are going to look into in this coffee can portfolio. Now we shall get into the slides one by one. Looking back to the history of this coffee can investing, we have to go back to the West Africa for that matter, because that is the place where this concept is created. What I mean to say is that, see, in those days people out there have put their hard earned money into coffee cans and kept these coffee cans under the mattress. Later they used this money for saving purpose or for investment purpose. That's how the name of this coffee can got emerged into. That is a brief history of coffee can investing. Moving on to the next part is coffee can investing is basically one of the form of equity investing. There are equity investing strategies like value based equity investing strategy or growth based equity investing strategy. This is supposed to be the third one, coffee can investment based strategy. So in case of value based equity investment strategy, people will be looking into the value for their investment, and based on their seeking of value for their investment, they will go for investing their money into investment opportunities. Whereas in growth based investment strategy, people will be looking for growth oriented organization, and they will invest their money into such kind of company shares. Thereby these strategies called as growth based investment strategy. Whereas the last one, which is the coffee can investment portfolio, talks about an investment wherein the investor is going to get the consistent profit on his investment or her investment. How? What are the steps to be followed? How we can construct a portfolio, coffee can portfolio? All these things we are going to look into in the subsequent slides to come. Okay. Now, in the nutshell form, I would like to say something about coffee can investing. It is actually created by Robert G. Kirby in 1964. He was the one who coined this word coffee can portfolio based on the history which had happened in West America. In his paper in the year 1984, and this strategy talks about buy and hold strategy for a longer period, and minimum login period is going to be 10 years for the investors to wait for, and panic would be eliminated, no commission and other charges, retirement plan, a dividend and bonus can be expected more, and then it is going to increase the wealth of the investors, and then it is a very nice approach for investing as well. And to put it in the nutshell form, this is all about coffee can investing. But to be more precise, coffee can investing is like select the investment opportunity, invest, and then forget about it for about more than 10 years, then you are going to reap the fruit. So that is all about coffee can investing. Okay, so moving on to the next slide, it's going to be like successful investment in coffee can investing. For example, here when Robert Kirby wrote a book on this particular concept in 1984, he mentioned one particular incident which talks about his client has invested only 5,000 rupees, $5,000 in one of the company's shares named Xerox shares, wherein in the span of 10 years it has grown to 8 lakh dollars. So that was the example for coffee and investing pointed out by Robert Kirby. Then in India, who drives this coffee can portfolio? It is an Ampit's capital, Saurav Mukherjee. He is the one who created or who propaganda, who created or who popularized the concept of coffee can portfolio among the Indian public, Indian investors, Saurav Mukherjee, and he has written a book on coffee can investing as well, along with his friends. He says how we can, how we create a coffee can portfolio, and he is suggesting some, 10 companies for that matter, and basically with some criteria. Criteria starts with the 100 crores of investment, 100 crores of market cap with the minimum market period of 10 years, and 10% revenue growth and 15% return on capital employed for each one of the last 10 years. And for the financial firms, return on equity of 15% and loan growth of 15% every year, and a few example as well: HDFC Bank, HCL Technologies, Lubin, LIC Housing Finance, Page Industries, Amar Raja Industries, for coffee can investing as well. So with that, let's move on to the next slide. It talks about coffee can portfolio by Saurav Mukherjee in 2016 and 2019. These are the companies in which Saurav Mukherjee are suggested to invest the investors. And then moving on to what exactly the coffee can portfolio is. See, in simple terms, I would say just buy and forget. The ideology is that when the holding period increases on the investment, naturally the return on investment increases, and vice versa. That is what coffee can portfolio is coffee can portfolio is all about. When you invest in a kind of company shares and forget about your investment for about more than 10 years, then your investment is going to grow and you are going to reap the fruits. That is what coffee can investment portfolio talks about. Then how can one create coffee can portfolio? By following some steps like this. Choose stocks of those companies who dominate the market and have competitive advantage. Have a highly concentrated portfolio of 10 to 15 stocks and intended churn of less than one stock per year on average. Then choose stocks of companies having excellent financial track record of revenue growth and earnings for over 10 years. Don't focus too much on a particular type of stock. Keep it diversified into lower your risk. It all depends on the market experts of a platform who has studied the future growth of themes in detail. Then there are advantages, there are disadvantages of coffee can investment portfolio. Advantages: riding the wave of turbulent markets, investors can gain fantastic returns. So you are going to just invest, forget about your investment for about more than 10 years, then you are going to definitely earn huge profit over a period of time. So over the long-term investment course, the magic of compounding does the trick of multiplying your gains manifold. Then investors can avoid large fees that come along with short-term investment. Investing in great quality stocks for long term can give you good returns. So these are the advantages of coffee can portfolio. And then looking into the negative aspects, of this coffee can investing is, past performance is not indicative of future returns. But here in case of coffee can investing, people will be looking into only the past performance of the scripts of the companies. So in this case, we have to be doubly careful while analyzing the company shares for the coffee can investment portfolio, or creating the coffee can portfolio portfolios for investment. large amount of fee needs to be paid for the investment advisor or the fund manager for that matter. Then many investors withdraw after looking at the short-term benefits and thus ignore the long-term benefits that avoids them. And you can enter wrong scripts based on market tips and improper research as well. So new industries entering the market and replacing the good old timers can lower the performance of a certain stocks. So these are the tax rate which they have simply ignored, and customer attrition rate is also ignored here in this Coffee Can portfolio construction. So these are the negatives or disadvantages of going for Coffee Can portfolio. And does it really outperform the other investment options? That is to be seen. We don't really know, but there is a research which talks about Coffee Can investment portfolio outperforms all other asset classes. What sort of research is that, and who did that? All these things we are going to look into in this research part. The objective of the research part is like to analyze whether the Coffee Can portfolio can provide higher returns than other asset classes such as gold, debt, fixed deposits, or financial products such as mutual funds, ETFs, that is exchange traded funds, to an investor who has a long-term goal. Then to analyze and compare whether the Coffee Can portfolio is able to provide higher returns than other asset classes or financial products. The returns provided by the Coffee Can portfolio have been compared to that of Sensex, BSE 100, Nifty 50 and mutual funds. So after analyzing and comparing the returns that the Coffee Can portfolio had given to the investors compared to the returns that were given by the Sensex, BSE 100 and Nifty 50 and mutual funds over the same period of time with the same amount of investment. So period is going to be 10 years, the amount is going to be just 1 lakh. This comparison is going to be taken place, and with that we will come to know which portfolio performs better. Is it CCP, that is Coffee Can portfolio, or the other asset class investment which performs well? So we will come to know about it. So that was a research done by somebody else. The name of the researchers Abhishek Johnwell and Ankita Agarwal in 2018. The title of the research talks about the Coffee Can as an investment portfolio. So they have done this analysis. They have found that Coffee Can portfolio outperforms all other asset classes performances. That is their outcome. So I would like to do similar kind of study by collecting similar years of, they have done it for 10 years. I would like to do it for another 10 years, but they did it for 2006 to 2016, but I would like to do it for 2010 to 2020. So thereby let me try to see whether the Coffee Can portfolio investment is really outperforming the other asset classes performance or not. Let's see. So the research design is going to be this way, and these are the ways by which the sources of data is going to be collected, and hypothesis framed is like this. So Coffee Can investing does not give higher returns than other asset classes or investments. Coffee Can investing gives higher returns than other asset classes and investments. So these are the two hypotheses that I have framed, and limitations of the study I have mentioned here, and data analysis is going to be like this. So when we look at when we look at this table, it shows that the comparison between CCP, TSR CAGR and Sensex TSR CAGR. CCP, this Coffee Can portfolio total shareholders return and compound annual growth rate of CCP, and Sensex total shareholders return of compound annual growth rate of Sensex. When you compare these two figures, see for the first year 2000 it is going to be like 22.6% to 16%. The difference is going to be 6.6%. It clearly shows that the Coffee Can investment portfolio TSR CAGR performs much better than the Sensex TSR CAGR. Similarly for all other years as well. So I am going to get into a study wherein I would like to know from 2010 to 2020 how the CGP TSR CAGR Sensex TSR CAGR changes. Thereby let me see that whether the same result is going to come or is going to be any difference. So that is what I wanted to see. And this talks about the equity mutual funds and BSE, which is performing better. Is it mutual for equity mutual funds or BSE 100 performs better? Obviously it is equity mutual fund which performs better. That is what is understood from this table. And then some interpretations based on the table which are provided out there. These are the interpretation which are done by the researchers, and then findings, they say that coffee can portfolio performs better than the other asset classes, thereby one can go for coffee can portfolio investment. The conclusion says that no, in case of coffee can portfolio investment, there are few things that we have to be mindful. Things like return on capital employed and return on equity and revenue growth, we need to understand before we going for coffee can investment portfolio. And then it is a kind of investment which is going to be like, select the kind of shares and then invest your money into them and then forget about it. So this is the kind of investment which talks about coffee can investment. So one who is really capable of waiting for a longer period of time and to reap the fruit on investment, they can seek for investment opportunities like this. These are the references that I have done, and I am open for questions now. If there is any question, you can pose on to me. Otherwise, you can post your questions into chat box. I will be sending the answers to your emails. Thank you for listening to me, and thanks for your patience.